Hi folks, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm in the kitchen. I'm just cooking up a paella here, and it's almost done. It's in the last stages of this paella, and but what I wanted to quickly do is prepare an alioli sauce, which is a garlic mayonnaise. This is just a simple pan-fried paella in a simple pan, but I actually wanted to do some alioli. So let's do it. This is actually quite easy to do. Let's see. So what you're going to need is one of these guys. An egg. Are we in the picture? Yes, so break your egg carefully into that guy, whatever you call it, the receptacle. And then we're going to need some garlic. In this case, this is garlic from my good friend Gary Miller. He's a local. He's got a fantastic vegetable garden, you know. And so yeah, this should be, it will be organic garlic. Yeah, that's quite a big, oh, here's one. So, yeah, you can just cut it a little bit just to go in there. Look at that. Alright. Put that in the garbage. What next indeed? So, our next, okay, we're going to have, oh, actually I wanted to get some out of the cupboard here, a little bit of paprika. I'll show you why in a sec. So, I've got some organic olive oil here. Now you can do this, when I used to live in Spain we used to use sunflower oil. You could make this, it hasn't got to be made out of olive oil, but it's a little less heavy if you use some sunflower oil. Actually, a smidgen of pepper. I've got to add a little bit more water to the paella here. Hang on a second. Let's just swing around here. Got to watch it at this stage because it can start burning on the bottom. I mean, a little burn is okay, but not too much. Not too much. Okay, right. So, yeah. Right, now I'm going to take the olive oil and we're going to slowly just have to do this by eye really a bit. There it is, beautiful alioli. Alright, so when you think you've got it, it's nicely homogenized together into a nice, you can take a bowl. Should get a spoon. Okay, well I can clean that up a bit better than, I've still got quite a lot left on there, but ooh, that tastes really good, really garlicky and nice. Yeah, you see how easy it is to make a lovely garlic mayonnaise. And this is great with potatoes, with fish, meat, all kinds of things. Alright. Yeah, we could clean that up a bit better, couldn't we? But what next? Well, we're just going to clean that up a bit, and then we're going to take a little bit of paprika. And we'll just do a little bit of decorative there, you know, on the top. And just a little bit of olive oil just added, just to give it a little bit of a, like that. Okay, and there it is. There's a nice alioli sauce. To go with the paella, which is, let's have a look. The thing about paella is you don't want to disturb it. Once you've added the rice, you don't want to then come back and start stirring it all up. You can add water, but don't. I'll tell you what we've got to do. I've got to add the prawns back on the top. These have already been sort of like pre-cooked, you see. So what I'm going to do now is just add these around here like this. Like that. Oh yes. Now if we had some lemon wedges we'd put them in, but I don't have any lemon wedges at the minute. So these prawns have already really been cooked. And the oil that they were cooked in has flavoured the paella. I've got more videos up there on YouTube on my channel about cooking paella, so check them out. Looks like I've got some washing up to do here, doesn't it? Okay folks, well there it is. That's a simple alioli sauce. That's not the purest way of making an alioli sauce, as the purists will be on my case, I know, saying, oh, that's not the way to do it. We don't use any egg, or we do it in such and such a way. We do it with a pestle and mortar. Yeah, okay, well you can do it like that. And very good it is too. Okay folks, bon appetit, or as they say in Spain, buen provecho. We keep practicing. I'll see you in the next clip. Bye for now. Yes, well worth learning how to make alioli. Bye.